Well, I don't know what. Oh, the video's on. Okay.
Hey.
Hey. Well, hey.
So I'm still recovering from being sick.
But now that you got medicine in you, you are feeling a lot better. It looks like.
A little bit, but I still can't breathe.
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 Can you breathe yet?
Not really. We're headed to the post office to send off Christmas cards.
Christmas cards we're mailing.
And, or at least most of them we're sending off.
We're not sending off all of them?
No.
We're hiding a few back just to make people wonder?
No.
Oh.
We just are only doing some now. Where are you going?
To the post. Nowhere. I went to the wrong lane. I went like we were going to Walmart. Because that's where we always go.
We can go to Walmart after because I need cough drops.
We need to go to the post office and then Walmart! We've made it to the post office.
We're about to go get some stamps.
Stamping,
Woo!
stamping, stamps.
Yes,
Stamp,
Christmas ones,
stamps.
hopefully.
So, these stamps are pretty good. What are they?
Nativity.
The nativity. Okay. Can you believe the nativity? Ooh, little baby Jesus.
So now we're gonna do
Put some Jesus on the stamps and put some Jesus on the letters. Merry Christmas.
Slowly but surely.
Burwell's. Oh yeah, Burwell's. Oh, don't show anybody this address.
Well, it's your fault for showing it.
It's not my fault. It's your fault.
Well, I should probably just do these a little straighter.
You should. What are you doing?
Okay. Anyway,
so.
I look terrible.
Yeah. No, you don't. You look gorgeous.
I'm sick as a dog.
Well, yeah, but you still look gorgeous.
Thanks.
Walmart. There we go. Handicap sign. But it kind of was placed perfectly. My job while we're in Walmart is to follow my wife.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going? So this is the NyQuil. Hey, I remember that. That stuff knocked you out.
Yeah, it did.
Like, out.
Except last night it didn't.
Last night it didn't?
No.
That's a lie. It knocked you out straight up.
Oh,
One teaspoon, tablespoon thingamajig knocked you out.
look.
Total.
A check.
Ooh, a low price of $9.95. I mean $9.98. I can't read apparently. Woo! Look at all that. That's nice, isn't it? Nice. I like it. I like it a lot.
Very pretty.
It's very nice. I'm just kidding. All pants. All pants. Cause I'm walking in Memphis. Actually, I'm walking in Walmart. My feet 10 feet off the aisle. Get it? It's Memphis. The song, you know.
So, my husband is locked himself in our room because he's tired of my coughing. So, I'm gonna go scare him just because I can. So, let's see. What are you doing? Playing music. Come sit next to me.
I don't know if I want to.
Why?
Because you're rude.
I'm not rude.
Scaring the crud out of me like that?
You're the one who ran away from the coughing.
What can you blame?
I'm sorry if I can't breathe.
You can't breathe!
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe!
So you're gonna, be mean to me because I can't breathe?
Yes. But I love you.
That's not very nice.
Yes, but I do love you, so it's okay. Yes, I do. I do love you. So,
Do you
really? And there's no kissing on our videos.
That's not what I was gonna say.
I know
I'm
you.
sick, remember?
I would take a kiss. I would. I would give a kiss too. To you. No, I'm not a liar. Okay, but tomorrow, you guys, hey, why don't we do one of those things where you talk about the next video?
Sure.
You wanna do that? We're spontaneous. We're random. Kind of. Anyway, tomorrow, right?
It's Saturday shenanigans.
Saturday shenanigans. Shenanigans Saturdays?
Saturday shenanigans. And...
Just say it together. 1, 2, 3. Pineapples. We're supposed to be linked. Oh, okay.
Anyway.
Saturday shenanigans.
Saturday shenanigans, and we'll be shenanigans in...
Shenanigans.
Yeah.
Like a nanny. Shenanny. We're both going to be shenannies. Dun, 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 shenannies. Okay, so tomorrow... That's what I was running away from.
Well, we have photo sessions tomorrow, so you'll be on an adventure with us.
You'll get to go see photos.
And we're also grocery shopping.
2 engagement photo sessions.
And we're grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
And that's always fun. Cause, yeah. So anyway, join us.
Peace out, Girl Scouts. Oh yeah, wait till the very end of this video. We have something special for everybody.
Special treat.
I mean, after like and share. Like you gotta wait to the very end. I mean, till it says 0.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Now you're recording because you're an idiot.